guys, today we are doing my spring easy quick not full coverage spring makeup tutorial. I don't know how else to say that. That was a mouthful. I don't know what I'm even going to call this video, but yeah, we are doing a springy tutorial. This is what we have today, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I go through step by step with you guys. We talk about a few products, nothing new, just really glowy, juicy skin, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, I always want to let you guys know I use all natural lighting here on my channel. So what you see is what you get. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, hair is up and out of the way. I am going to mix two products. This is the Kinship Self Reflect Sunscreen, and I'm going to mix it with some regular IT Cosmetics CC Plus in medium. Now, IT Cosmetics CC Cream is not my favorite. I'm not die hard for this like a lot of people are. I just wanted something that's kind of medium coverage. I'm going to sheer it out a little bit with the sunscreen, but IT Cosmetics CC Cream was never full coverage on me, even built up, it just never was. But I thought, why not just add some more SPF to it, because I love this. I love this Kinship and the way it looks. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably build it up on the cheeks a little bit just to give me some more coverage. So I am going to put this on my fingers and then rub it on the skin, and where I don't want so much coverage, I'm not gonna use a brush like this that really gives you the coverage. I'm gonna use a fluffier brush like this, so that way we're not getting too much coverage. Spring and summer really depends on the day for me. Sometimes I want no coverage, other times I want full coverage. Today I'm kind of in the middle. So we will see. Hopefully this isn't too light. Oh no, I might have to add something else in on top. So I'm gonna start pushing this in. Okay, no, I think this will work. Yeah, this shade should work fine. Shoo, I got nervous there for a second. Now on the forehead where I don't need as much coverage, I don't really push it in. I kind of do the regular blending, just kind of moving it around. I haven't really noticed, but this brush, you can see brush marks pretty good. For the nose, I'm just gonna use a dry sponge. You guys know, if you watch my videos, my nose can be a problem. I would say we have light to low medium coverage, but it's still nice and glowy, which is what I'm going for. I'm telling you guys, the hair, like where are these hairs coming from? All on this side. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, now for concealer, I do want a bit of coverage. So I'm gonna use the Undone Beauty Conceal to Reveal palette in Latte Medium, hoping it is not too dark. I'm gonna go in with our middle section. If you guys haven't seen this before, it's the same shade, but you have 3 different sections. So this is supposed to be sheer coverage on top, medium coverage in the middle, and then full on the bottom. Pretty neat. All right, and then we're gonna put this. I love the tone of this concealer though. It's really kind of peachy, which is what I go for. But I like this concealer. It's not like my favorite concealer of all time or anything, but I think it's pretty easy. You can just kind of put it on and be done with it. You guys, I have 2 more hairs on my face. Like, what is the deal? Okay, so I'm not going to set anything yet because I have several other cream products to use. So I'm gonna bring in the Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer. This is really natural on my skin, but I love the tone of it, you guys. And it is just so easy. You literally dab and you're done. Like, it is that easy. You can build this up a little bit. It's not super buildable, but you can build it a little bit. Easy as pie, you guys, easy as pie. It is crazy. Now for highlight, this is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna use the Pure Skin Haze CBD Glass Glow Skin Highlighter. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. This has no shimmer to it. It's strictly a clear fluid. It's odd. It like lip gloss almost, but not near as sticky. Looks like that. Now I'm gonna rub it between my fingers for several seconds to let it kind of take some of that moisture away, because I don't want it to disrupt my base. So I kind of just rub, and then I just start gently pushing on the tops of the cheekbones. You guys, I'm telling you, I know this is different. Some people love the really natural, glowy type of highlight that does not have any shimmer in it, and some people hate it. So I get that. I'm one of those people that love this kind of glow, the more wet look. It's just so good. It's just wet, you guys, without all that shimmer. I love it. And as long as you put it on right, it doesn't disrupt the base. It is just that good. You can see it didn't mess anything up. Looks beautiful. I love it. For blush, I pulled one out. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm always using cream blushes. I love them. This one's in the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Dewy Blush Elixir. I have loved this, so I'm hoping I still do. I am just going to grab my foundation brush, dot it on, keep pushing it on the hand, because this again is a very fluid product. And then I'm gonna push it on the skin, and it just leaves you with a little bit of color but a ton of dew. I just want bronzy, glowy goodness. Like, that's what I think of with spring makeup. And everybody's, you know, spring makeup's gonna be different, and I don't always do this. This is just my easy, quick spring makeup look. And when I think of spring, like I said, I think of glowy, beautiful, bronzy skin. Okay, I am going to quickly set the under eyes. I'm just using a translucent powder, and once we put the powder on, it does set down our glowiness just a little bit, but I'm fine with that. I want things to last. I don't want them to slide off the skin. But even if you set your whole face, there's still some glow that's gonna come through. So don't worry, if you are more oily, you can totally set the whole face and be good to go. Okay, for eyes, this changes from day to day, but I want to do a little bit of something. So I am going to grab the Morphe 35C palette. Looks like this. My go-to colors in this palette are this one and this one. They're gorgeous, you guys. Today I want to go more natural, so I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Not being, sorry you guys, I don't know why I keep putting the mirror right in front of my face so you guys can't see. But just know, I know I'm doing it and I'm working on it. But yeah, no rhyme or reason to anything, just slap it on. I don't do anything on the eyes, but I'll throw a wing on and some lashes, and it looks like I tried, even though I really didn't. So it just depends on how much time you have, but this is still super quick and easy. It really takes no time. Throw one shadow on and you're good to go. I think I want to try this one right here. I'm just gonna put it on the lid. I'm not gonna put it too thick or heavy. I kind of want to see the matte shadow through it a little bit. Gosh, that was such a pretty combo. Oh yes. And then I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and go in with our MAC color. I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. Okay, I am going to hop off of here, throw some brow gel on. That was, you know, only took me 25 minutes to think of that word. And I'm gonna throw some lashes on, and then we'll be right back to do the lip. Okay, I threw a little bit of Wow Brow by Elle on my brows. I threw on some lashes, and now I'm gonna put on a lip, but it's broken. This is the Velvet, or it's in Velvet. I don't know. This is a Makeup Revolution lipstick and it says Velvet. So that's that. These are very pretty full opaque lipsticks though. And then on top, because this is a spring makeup look, I'm gonna put a gloss on. This is what we've got. I love how everything turned out. The skin is kind of natural but fixed. It's odd. It's not at all full coverage, but it's just nice and natural and dewy, and my hair looks awful, but we're not gonna talk about it. Yeah, I really like it. It's just quick, easy, on the go, spring makeup, but then with the eyes and lips, we kind of added a little oomph to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.